Students, now I will solve the second question, and the second question is some tricky. You have to apply same formulas, but how to start, you have to see the steps. I am going to explain step by step using the same formula. So you have to see carefully all the steps so that in future if you get this types of question you can solve in easy way. So I will try in very simple way how to solve this question. So you have to see very carefully the solution. So the question is, a truck goes from Haryana to Bangalore with an average speed of 60 km per hour. A truck goes from Haryana to Bangalore. I have made here a car. Don't mind about this. Truck or car, don't mind. But think a body is moving from Haryana to Bangalore. This is the point. You have to think. The starting point here is Haryana. From Haryana to Bangalore, the average speed here of the truck is 60 km per hour. It means from here to Haryana to Bangalore, the average speed is given. The journey takes 30 hours. It means time also time also given in the question. Speed is given, time is given. Okay. This is the first case. First case means journey from Haryana to Bangalore. Okay. And in this journey, we have speed and time. These two values we know. What is the average speed and how much time is taken by this truck or car. Speed and time we know, and journey is from Haryana to Bangalore. Remember, this is case 1. Now the second case is it returns means now from Bangalore to Haryana. It returns from Bangalore to Haryana on the same road. It means on same road. We have to now see the second case. Second case is from Bangalore to Haryana. It means distance is same. Remember the point, distance here is same. In case 2, what is going on? The truck is coming back from Bangalore to Haryana. Okay. And the average speed in this case also given. What is given here? Speed, average speed given. Okay. What was the average speed of the truck? Time not given. Time we don't know. Time here not given. Speed only given. Average speed is given. Time not given. And the final point here is we have to find out the average speed. We have to find the average speed during the round trip. Means from Haryana to Bangalore, the average speed we know. From Bangalore to Haryana, average speed we know. Now you have to find from these two average speed a single value of average speed during the trip. Trip means from Haryana to Bangalore and Bangalore to Haryana. During this trip, round trip means a complete journey from Haryana to Bangalore, Bangalore to Haryana. During this round trip, we have to find out the average speed. This is the point. So don't mind, this is also very easy. So how to start? See, for this we will first pick this word. What is here? Average speed. We have to find average speed. Okay. So average speed formula is distance, total distance by total time. You know about this. Okay. total distance by total time. It means we have to find out first total distance and after that total time. Okay. One by one we will collect the value. Distance how to get? And you know, distance from Haryana to Bangalore, what will be the distance? Same distance will be from Bangalore to Haryana. This will be same because in the question also given on the same road, distance will be same. So from this first case, Haryana to Bangalore, speed and time is given. So from this value we can find distance, because you know formula of distance equal to speed into time. If you multiply speed into and time, you will get distance from Haryana to Bangalore. Okay, so distance from the first case we can get, and same will be distance from Bangalore to Haryana. So by this way distance we can get. Let us see one by one how to solve. So here I have written journey from, first case is journey from Haryana to Bangalore. What is the average speed? Let us see. From here to here, first case Haryana to Bangalore. What is the speed here? Speed in question given 60 km per hour. See the question. From Haryana to Bangalore 60 km per hour. Speed is given. Time how much? 30 hours. Okay. So distance we will try to collect here. So distance equal to, how to find? We can apply the same formula here. Average speed equal to, you know the formula is average speed equal to total distance by total time. What is the average speed here? In the question given 60 km per hour. Total distance we don't know. From Haryana to Bangalore we have to find out, because distance not given in the question. So total distance, if we don't know, we will write the same thing here, total distance, because this is unknown. Okay, total time how much? From Haryana to Bangalore, how much time is taken by the truck? This is 30 hours. Okay, now 60 km per hour, you can also write like this, 60 km divided by hour. Okay, now we have to find out total distance. So do here cross multiplication. So total distance into hour, total distance into hour. Okay, total distance into hour, cross multiplication here, from here to here, cross multiplication, total distance into hour equal to 60 km into 30 hour. Okay, now I rub this all this sketch. It will be clear to see. Okay. Now see. So total distance equal to this value already in right side, and this value in this side. If you bring, this will be by divide. You have to divide. So this will be upper value. This height, this hour and hour will cancel. Now will be 60 into 30. This will be 1800 km. So we got distance from Haryana to Bangalore. This is how much? From the calculation, we got the value is here 18 km. It means from Bangalore to Haryana, Haryana to Bangalore is how much? 1800 km. Same way Bangalore to Haryana will be how much? 18 km. Okay. So if I ask you the total distance during the round trip will be how much? Haryana to Bangalore 18 km or Bangalore to Haryana 18 km. Both are same. So total distance will be how much? We have to add. So this will be how much? This will be 3600 km. Okay. So total distance we got. Now remember, in the question given we have to find average speed, and you know average speed formula is total distance by total time. So total distance we got. This will be how much? 3600 kilometer. Now see for total time, because we have to get total time also. So how to get total time? From first case we got total distance. From second case we will try to find total time. In first case time is given. First case from Haryana to Bangalore time is given. See here, 30 hours. But from Bangalore to Haryana time is not given. We will try to get in second case. If time we will get in second case, then we will apply the formula average velocity and we can get the answer. Okay, in second case, let us see in second case. In the second case, journey from Bangalore to Haryana. So average in the question given, Bangalore to Haryana, average speed is, here I have written 40 km per hour, because in question it is given. See the question. It returns from Bangalore to Haryana on the same road with an average speed of 40 km per hour. Means from Bangalore to Haryana, average speed is given, time not given. From the first case, we got distance we got. Okay, so we will apply the distance value here. In second case, journey from Bangalore to Haryana is, in this case, average speed equal to 40 km per hour, and distance from the from the first case, the value of distance we will use here. So distance is how much? 1800 km. Now we will apply here formula to collect the time. So time we have to now find out. Average speed we know, distance we know. How to find out time? As we have done in case 1, same we will try to apply the formula to find time. So formula, what is the formula? Average speed equal to total distance by total time. So what is the average speed here? 40 km per hour. So I have written here 40 km per hour in place of average speed. Okay. Total distance, because the here case is from Bangalore to Haryana. Case here is Bangalore to Haryana. Total distance will be same, because in question given on same path, on same road. Haryana to Bangalore and Bangalore to Haryana on same road. So distance will apply here 1800 km, and this is from Bangalore to Haryana also. So 1800 km here. Total time, this we have to find out, because this is not given in question. We have to find out total time. So now we will write 40 km per hour, 40 km divided by h for hour, and here total distance 1800 km divided by total time, because total time we have to find out. Here time not given in question, so we will write here total time. Okay. Now we have to find total time. So first of all we will use here cross multiplication. Okay, but first of all we have to multiply that values where unknown value is present. So this first we have to multiply this one, total time into 40. That's why I have written a total time into 40 km. And the second here is in right side 1800 km into hour. Okay. Now here is total time we have to find out. So in the left side we will put here total time only, and the right side 1800 km into hour already present here. And now this 40 km we will bring from left side, and in right side it will be with, we have to divide. So now this kilometer and kilometer cancel out. Okay. And now 1800 divided by 40, if you divide you will get 45 hours. So we got from Bangalore to Haryana, time we got how much? 45 hours. Okay. Now if I say, if I write here from Haryana to Bangalore, one second, I write here from Haryana to Bangalore. Okay, from here to here how much distance? In first case Haryana to Bangalore 1800, 1800. Okay, if come during the returning, the distance also will be how much? 1800, because it's the distance from Haryana to Bangalore is 1800 kilometer. In question also given Bangalore to Haryana in same road, so this is also 100 kilometer, 1800 kilometer. Okay, so total distance how much during the journey? 3600, 3600 kilometer. So distance, total distance we have, total distance we got. Okay, time in first case already given 30 hour. Okay, in second case we got the value here how much? 45 hour, so we have to add 45 hour. Okay, now if you sum up you will get 75 hour. Okay, so distance total 3600 kilometer and time total you got. So now it will be very easy to apply formula of average speed. So now let us see. So now finally I will write here average speed of the truck during the round trip as given in the question. Read the last sentence of the given question. In question given, you have to find average speed of the truck during the round trip. Okay, it means we have to find, don't confuse here, we have to actually find average speed. Okay, this sentence given in question, so I have written here, but we will apply formula of average speed. What is the formula of average speed? This is total distance by total time. Total distance how much? From Haryana to Bangalore and Bangalore to Haryana. So 1800 kilometer plus 1800 kilometer. Okay, total time how much? Haryana to Bangalore 35 hour and Bangalore to Haryana 45 hour. Okay, if you sum up, you will get 3600 kilometer and time how much? 75 hour. Okay, and now you have to divide 3600 by 75. You will get 48 and kilometer per hour. You can write like this. Okay, so this is the average speed during the round trip, means from Haryana to Bangalore and Bangalore to Haryana. During this round trip, the average speed will be 48 kilometer per hour. So I think you got the explanation, and you have to practice. You have to see the steps how to solve these types of question. So like this question, you can get different question in your book. So you have to revise, and next class I will start velocity and after that acceleration. So revise all the topic we have learned, and in next day prepare for the next topic, velocity. Thank you.